I was looking for a good affordable backup mouse, something I could take to work with me, throw in my bag, use it with my laptop. The folks at YOOSO were nice enough to send me this for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I actually already have a YOOSO mouse, so I got an extra backup now. So let's check this thing out and see what we get. This is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless optical mouse. Comes packaged very nicely. It's got some instructions in there if you should need them. And we're gonna run this thing through the test. So first thing you wanna know is the receiver. The USB is right here on the bottom of this mouse. So there's no drivers required for this. You're just gonna plug it into the computer and it's gonna recognize it and you're gonna be good to go. The battery compartment is on the bottom right here. You're just gonna open that up and you're gonna put one AA battery in there. That's it. The feel on this thing is pretty awesome. It's got grips on the side here. So when you're holding onto the mouse, it actually has a nice feel inside of my hand. It feels really good. Left click on it works great. Right click, cut that. Right click, paste. Everything works like it's supposed to. There's a button in the center of the mouse right here that controls the speed of the cursor, which I think is kind of a cool feature. Works like it's supposed to work. We got a scroll wheel. The wheel works good. I think we can, if you press down on the wheel, yep. Turns it into a super fast scroll, which is what you want. You can see that. Another cool feature of this mouse is your back and forward buttons right here on the side. This mouse is compatible with pretty much anything. Another cool feature about this mouse is if you don't use it for 8 minutes, it'll go to sleep. Saves your battery for you. All by itself, it just goes to sleep. Anyway, it's got a great feel. It's a great size mouse. Fits good in my hand. Looking for a good mouse for your home or your office. Or if you're like me, I don't like to use the scroll pad on a laptop. I prefer to have an optical mouse with me, so I'll carry one of these in my bag with my laptop. And the cool thing with this, you can take the receiver out, store it in the mouse, throw it in the bag, and you're good to go. But check it out, the YOOSO 2.4 gigahertz wireless optical mouse. It's a good mouse. Check it out.